In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the word Canva. This word is often encountered in digital design and marketing, and if you've ever crafted a social media post or put together a presentation, you've likely come across it. Yet, the pronunciation might leave some a little stumped. So let's break it down together in this simple, easy-to-follow guide. Now, when you see the word Canva, it might appear slightly daunting at first, but don't worry. Let's tackle it step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll be saying it with ease and confidence. The correct pronunciation of Canva is Canva. Let's repeat that together. Canva. Notice that it's a two-syllable word with the emphasis on the first syllable, con. For the first part, con, think of it as rhyming with words like can and fan. It uses a hard C sound, similar to the way you would start the word cat. This is important because sometimes people might be tempted to soften it, but keeping that clear, strong initial sound is key. Moving on to the second syllable, vuh. This part sounds like the abbreviated form of a, but squashed together into a single fluid sound. The V in vo is pronounced like the V in vine or van, providing that crisp, buzzing sound. The ending sounds like similar to the A in sofa or above. Keeping it relaxed and natural is important here, allowing the word to smoothly glide off your tongue. Now let's put it all together. Canva. It's simple once you get the hang of it, right? When you combine the two parts, you want to aim for a slightly melodic flow, letting the word comfortably roll as you say it. Practice saying it a few times in a row. Canvu, canvu, canvu. Every time you say it, try to maintain that natural rhythm and sound. While it may seem like a small detail, pronouncing Canva correctly can make a big difference in communication, especially when discussing design tools with colleagues or friends. It adds a level of professionalism and clarity to your conversations. So whether you're talking to someone about your latest design project, preparing for a meeting, or simply sharing tips with a friend, being able to pronounce Canva correctly and confidently can help set a strong foundation for effective communication. Thanks for tuning in, and now you're all set to pronounce Canva like a pro. Keep practicing if you need to, and soon it will become second nature. Until next time, happy designing!